You're watching ISTV News and this is Panorama giving you the news. First, the headlines. Deputy Chief Minister says people's cooperation needed in implementing Food Security Act successfully. And solar lanterns distributed free of cost to 190 families of Quata village in Chandel district. Now the news in detail. Deputy Chief Minister Gaikangam has said that people's cooperation is needed in successful implementation of the National Food Security Act. The Deputy Chief Minister said this while participating in a consultation meeting held at Hotel Classic to discuss the present situation and inconveniences being faced by the authorities while trying to implement the National Food Security Act fully in Tamenglong district. Vice Chairman of Hills Area Committee MLA Kikaubun Newmai, DC Tamenglong District C. Arthur, ADC Tamenglong Sishin and Haume, others members SDOs of subdivisions of Tamenglong District and village chiefs participated in a consultation meeting. Deputy Chief Minister Gaikangam inquired about the status of the selection of beneficiaries and instructed the authority to try to finish up the selection process before the national deadline that is February 28. Addressing those present at the meeting, Gaikangam said the National Food Security Act has been taken up as a special scheme by the Government of India to keep the stomach of the poor people filled and also to improve the standard of living. If the people cannot grasp this opportunity, they will only be fools. Tamenglong district should make the best use of the act and show the people of Manipur that the scheme is being implemented fully in the district. He said, adding that the role of the authorities and the people in successful implementation of the act is very important.
Welfare scheme and food security act is makada pigadoriba currency jinja actions ahung phana avail to hanaba se putuna makithula bazaar singa tainaba sunka punumna awana punuma khangna ka bazaar singa siguma ganja se ku phaba seba tobini ganja la no it's an opportunity for all of us to take up this responsibility.
Under a special scheme to make energy available in areas where there is no facility for electricity, the National Small Industries Corporation NSIC has distributed solar lanterns free of cost to the villagers of Quata village in Chandel district yesterday. The solar lanterns were distributed under the Corporate Social Responsibilities CSR of NSIC Guwahati by the NSIC sub-branch Imphal in association with Ganadut Social Welfare Center Agartala at a function held at Quata Community Hall. General Manager of DIC Chandel Y. Ragumani, Vice President of ICSI Kolkata P. Loken, Senior Branch Manager of NSIC Guwahati D. Katak, Deputy Manager of NSIC Sub-Center Imphal L. Ibetombi, Village Chief N. Kamal and Secretary Nanda were the presidium members at the distribution function. Solar lanterns were distributed to about 190 families of Quata Kuno and Quata Kunjao. Vice President of ISCI, P. Loken, informed the villagers who took part in the function that the solar lanterns were being distributed under the assistance of the Government of India. He appealed to the villagers not to waste the natural resources. What the NSIC has been doing is for the people. General Manager of DIC Chandel, Ragumani, said the DIC takes up schemes for the people every now and then. Villagers may take advantage of the schemes. Villagers of Quata need to support the scheme of illuminating the village, he said. Deputy Manager of NSIC Sub-Branch Ibetombi said, as part of the programs taken up for illuminating the places where there is no electricity, the solar lanterns are given to the villagers. NSIC is making efforts to provide schemes that will be beneficial to the villagers living in different areas under CSR, Ibetombi said, and appealed to the villagers to work hard. The 10th Foundation Day of Milal Imphal East Division was held at Chingarel, Tezpur today. Member of Kundrapam Jila Parishad Thangzam Angobi, leader of Milal Sadokpam Tongbo Mangang, leader of Milal Imphal East Division, Jamuna Mayengbam attended the function. Finance Secretary of Milal Vaikom Gozen, nominee of Padma Shri and National Awardee of Babu Jagjiban Ramkala Sanskriti Asangbam Susila were felicitated on the occasion. Sadokmam Tomba appealed to the people to extend cooperation in abolishing foreign names and words from the indigenous language. The association is not asking for replacing the names of objects which do not have an original name. He asked people to understand the objectives of the works taken up by Milal. Works Minister Dr. K.H. Ratan Kumar today released 2 books written by late Ningomba Manizau titled Maidingu Nongdalairen Pakangba and 3rd edition of Pombilang in connection with the 11th that anniversary of the writer. The releasing function was held at the house of the writer at Palage Compound in Imphal East. The writer had published 9 books while he was alive. Leaders of different political parties today expressed their desire for repealing APSPA during a one-day convention of leaders of different political parties organized by the Working Group on APSPA at Manipur Press Club in Imphal. Many representatives of political parties participated in the convention. As expected, no representative of Congress was present at the convention. Managing Trustee of Just Peace Foundation, K.H. Anandi, Convener of Joint Committee on Inner Line Permit, Ibotombi Kuman, senior citizens and representatives of different civil society organizations attended the convention. Senior citizen Professor L. Sadananda was the moderator. Representatives of 8 political parties, namely BJP, CPI, MPP, CPIM, AAP, JDU, AIFB and NPF expressed their views on APSPA, its negative impact on the state. They contended that not only the act should be repealed but also removed from the state. The issue will be discussed at their respective party level and extend all possible help to get the draconian act removed from the state.
Armed Forces Special Powers Narrowing the Lokadabuni, Haida, Aduna, Jahi Kari Mamma, Thingnabiba organization Yopiramani, lakhs of postcards, repeal Armed Forces Special Powers, Sep Sarmila's life, all over the country, lakhs of posters were printed and campaigned for the removal of this cement.
Retired Colonel L. Lokendra said thousands of innocent people have lost their precious lives under this draconian act in the hands of security forces. However, the state government has been a silent spectator and keeping mum on the issue. He even warned the government to repeal the act as desired by the people.
Armed Forces Special Power Act all Indian Constitution repeal the high Kongtang Constitution. Sige Kongtang Lakasida India the Karamna, Manipur or Northeast Yeng Yeng so Yam unimportant or reasonable simply. Sige Maram Krasule, I use Sige Maram Karana Kanina is such a manade, Mendiaga.
Well, that's the end of our evening news bulletin. Before we end the headlines once again. Deputy Chief Minister says people's cooperation needed in implementing Food Security Act successfully. And solar lanterns distributed free of cost to 190 families of Quata village in Chandel district. Thank you for watching our news.